In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Skype in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for an important job interview, setting up for a meeting, or just wanting to catch up with friends and family across the globe, ensuring your Skype is up and running smoothly is crucial. So let's dive right in and make sure that when the time comes, you're all set with a perfectly functioning Skype. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Skype website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. Click on it, and if you're prompted, go ahead and sign in using your account details. This is your gateway to accessing Skype's online version, which is fantastic for quick checks and calls. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots lined up vertically. This is your main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. For our purpose today, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens, where you can adjust Skype to work perfectly for you. Clicking on Settings will open up a new menu. From here, you'll need to locate and select audio and video. This is the heart of today's task, ensuring your audio and video work seamlessly for a flawless Skype call experience. Now onto the fun part. Let's test your camera first. In the audio and video settings, you should immediately see a preview of your camera's feed. This is great for not only testing if your camera is working, but also for checking what your video will look like to others on a call. Make sure your camera is well positioned and that you're happy with how everything looks. Next up, let's ensure your audio is just as ready. Still in the audio and video settings, take a moment to speak into your microphone. You should see the audio level bar move, indicating that your microphone is picking up sound. This is also a good time to adjust your microphone settings to ensure you're heard loud and clear without any unwanted background noise. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully tested your Skype's video and audio settings in just about 5 minutes. No more worrying about technical issues when it's time to connect. Remember, a good practice is to test your setup a few minutes before any scheduled call, just to be on the safe side. And with the ease of accessing settings and testing everything right in your browser, you can do this anytime, anywhere. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you achieve smooth and uninterrupted conversations on Skype. Stay connected and see you in the next video.